Okay, magta-test tayo ngayon ng audio quality kasi pinagmamalaki nitong Cherry is naka Sony speaker siya. And also, one of the reasons nagustuhan ni Sir Yogi, yung may-ari, bakit niya rin binili to. One of his reasons daw yung Sony. So, pakinggan natin. Saglit lang.
All we'll ever trust, yeah. No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
Okay, music test pala tayo. Exactly the same music. Okay, music, maestro.
Ay, better. Same music.
O hindi mo dinaya equalizer niyan, ha?
Better. Same music.
Oh, sanggala.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on my side.
Mas immersive yung sounds niya.
Oh my God.
Para marami sa
We chase the leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust.
Dyna audio lang yan, ha?
No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And
I don't know. Ang Dyna, hindi siya kasing popular ng Sony, definitely. Pero kayo na humusga ng tunog.
till my shadow turns to sun rays.
Mas